GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GM OE. Manufactured to GM OE specification for fit, form, and function. For proper installation or programming instructions, contact your nearest GM dealer or ACDelco Service Center. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Ignition Lock Cylinder Set is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. It comes with everything you need to replace a broken or worn ignition lock cylinder with an ACDelco replacement lock cylinder. The ignition lock cylinder is where you insert and turn the key to engage your vehicle's engine and electrical accessories. This original equipment ignition lock cylinder set has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Pay the extra few bucks for genuine GM. Great product, have used genuine GM versus brand X several times for restorations and rekeys. GM tumbler always works great and bonus comes with 2 nice branded GM keys. Not generics. Will buy again when needed.